now I'm going to start out with this look with the BH Cosmetics Hollywood palette, and I'm going to be taking the yellow. And make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and you will get notifications every time I upload. So now I'm going to be taking the yellow from the BH Cosmetics Hollywood palette. I'm going to be using the yellow as a crease color. Now I'm going in with the same palette. I'm going to be taking that hot peach color and I'm going to be applying it right up under the yellow. Then I'm going to be taking the black from the exact same palette and I'm going to be using it in the outer corner. And I'm going to be taking the two brown shades from the ColourPop palette and I'm going to be applying them to the crease so that it can blend out some colors that we did apply before, so it won't look like we have harsh lines. And now I'm doing the usual, which is cutting the crease with my favorite concealer, which is LA Colors, if you're new here. That I'm going back into the palette and I'm going to be taking the green from the palette and I'm going to be applying it in the inner corner. And yes, Pandora was like giving me so much life, and then I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. brush and I'm going to be packing on the shades. I really love this e.l.f. brush. This e.l.f. brush is definitely amazing. Then I'm going back in, I'm going to be taking the purple from the exact same palette and I'm going to be taking the purple and applying it right next to the inner corner, which I think is so bomb digs. So bomb digs. Hey. And I'm just going to be packing on and make sure that I am overlapping, but doing just a little bit of blending. And I'm going back over the shade so it looks like I really applied some pressure to it so it can intensify a little bit more. And then I'm going to be adding some blue above it. Just a little dark blue above it to give it a little bit more fun. And then I'm going to be applying some nice golden highlight to the inner corner, and I also apply my matte vanilla shade on the brows. that is done, I'm going to be applying concealer for a base for the eyeliner, since I don't have any cream eyeliner gel. So I'm just going to use it as a base, and I'm going to be applying some yellow eyeshadow from the exact same palette, and then I'm going to be adding a pigment from eBay.